You so much, Miss Claire. So, yun, magandang hello, naririnig. So, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, again, ako po si Diamond Master Avi, all the way from Pangasinan of Laguna Imperial Center. And ngayon, pag-uusapan po natin ang isang bagay na simple pero sobrang importante. Ito ay tungkol sa ating oral health. So, hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagkakaroon ng mapuputing ngipin. Ito'y tungkol din sa confidence, hygiene, and overall health. So, this picture nilagay ko dyan because I was part of Korea tour last October. This was taken in Songnisan Forest. So before that, let me take you back to memory lane. Lalo na po sa hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin. So, yun nga po, galing ako sa Pangasinan and very instrumental kasi ang product na aking isi-share ngayong araw. Dahil ito po ang pinakaunang produkto ng Atomy na na-share sa akin ng aking sponsor, which is si Tita Jocelyn. Siya yung naka-pink, second from the right. And that was way back December 2021 nung inintroduce yung product sa akin. So it all started with Atomy toothpaste and toothbrush. And ang pagbisita ng mga Korean sponsors po namin sa Pangasinan, naging malaking way to impart yung knowledge kung paano nag-work si Atomy. So, I was a consumer until May 2022 po. Tapos, from there on, May 2022, naging interested ako to learn more about the business. So, since kabilang bahay lang yung nirent ng mga Korean sponsors namin, tatawid lang naman ako ng bahay, inano ko na siya, ginawa ko na siya, nadala-dala yung mga anak ko even if I had a baby. Parang kumbaga, 4 or 5 months pa lang yung baby ko. So during meetings po talaga namin, no, nagpapa-breastfed ako doon and all. Pero ayun, to learn the business, ginawa ko po talaga siya. So fast forward, naging SM po ako July 2022. And then na-awardan po bilang SM noong October 2022 and was able to join my first Korea tour noong November 2022. So yun po. This is also my second time speaking here dito sa PUC dahil yung una was last January 2023, kasama ko yung mom ko, yung baby ko, auntie ko. So yun yung una. And fast forward again, nag-challenge po ako noong December 2024 to be a Diamond Master and was awarded last January. And with all of these milestones po, no, I was able to join again my second Korea tour last October. So nandito po ako. So with all of this at nung naging member po ako ng Atomy, never na po kaming nag-change ng brand ng toothpaste and toothbrush. So you'll know why kung bakit. So yun po, may pa-throwback. So moving forward, alam nyo ba, karamihan sa atin nakaka-experience nito. So yung cavities, bleeding gums, and bad breath. So minsan, hindi natin napapansin, no? Unti-unti na pala siyang lumalala at nakakaapekto na pala siya sa confidence at sa oral health natin. And ang sad truth, ito lang naman ang nagpapasira sa ating mga ngipin. Yung pagkain ng sobrang sweets, kulang sa brushing and flossing, and yung takot na pumunta sa dentista regularly. Pero wait, may good news po tayo. You can make a difference. Yes, you, all of you. Confident ba ang mga Atomian? Kung oo, pwede mo bang ipakita sa katabi mo ang iyong confident smile? So, kahit ganun kasimple ang problema po, no? Simple lang din ang solusyon dyan. Let's brush 2 to 3 times a day, floss, and mag-visit tayo sa dentist natin regularly. And ang pinaka-importante ay you choose the right products. Do you agree with that? The product that work with you, hindi against you, okay? And with that, I am so happy to introduce to all of you ang Atomy Oral Care System natin under the personal care line. At dito pala pumapasok ang concept ng Atomy, ang mass and prestige, which is mastige. Prestige kasi yung quality ng products natin na hindi mahal, pero high-end ang performance. Accessible sa ating lahat. So pangmasa po talaga siya. So without further ado, I am pleased to introduce Atomy Propolis Toothpaste and Toothbrush. So, eto na po siya. Introducing one of the best-selling oral care products, ang ating toothpaste. So, ano nga ba ang propolis? So, ang propolis ay natural substance na galing mismo sa beehive. And it has an antibacterial properties. Widely used din siya sa health supplements na nagpro-protection para sa ating mga teeth and gums. So, ang dalawang main ingredients ng ating toothpaste ay green tea extracts, which helps in deodorizing and boosting our immunity. Sa oral pa lang, no? And then, ang ating propolis extract naman na may antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, at protection laban naman sa germs. Kasi nga, di ba, all that we take or eat internally passes through our mouth. So, better na first base pa lang, may depensa na po tayo. And lahat naman ng tao nakaka-experience po nito, yung pagkakaroon ng dental plaque sa ating mga ngipin. But, to minimize those dental plaques, may silicon dioxide ang ating toothpaste na tumutulong mag-remove ng mga dental plaque. As you can see here, at yung sticky layers ng bacteria sa ating ngipin. And then next na feature ay nakakatulong ang sodium pyrophosphate na pinapababa niya yung pagdikit naman ng tartar deposits sa ating mga ngipin. So, yun siya. Kasi, sadly, kapag lumala ito, maaaring mag-cause ng gingivitis. Kaya, to the rescue ang ating sodium pyrophosphate. And then, bukod dito, naglalaman ng ating toothpaste ng xylitol na humahad lang naman sa bacteria na nagkukos ng cavities. And ang fluoride na nagbibigay naman ng proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. And lastly, para sa bad breath naman, tinatarget nito ang bacteria na gumagawa ng foul odor tulad ng hydrogen sulfide. So ito po ang ating toothbrush. Kasama ng toothpaste, syempre meron toothbrush. And I'm proud to say that it is registered as first grade oral medical device of KFDA at certified, may certification siya na antibacterial siya. So ito yung mga key features ng ating toothbrush. Super slim siya. So kung ginagamit nyo na yung toothbrush natin, tinappered nila yung 0.18 mm. Tapos yung dulo niya, tinappered pa nila into 0.3 mm. Pero kahit na ganun siya kanipis, yung bristle, di siya agad-agad nasisira. Di ba po? And then, yung ating gold powder naman, for antibacterial protection naman siya. Very important kasi you will never know kung nadadapuan ba ng insekto yung toothbrush nyo. Specifically, baka gapangan ng ipis, di ba po? Na pwedeng mag-cause ng bacteria, kaya this is a big factor, yung antibacterial properties. And then, rounded slim head for better reach. Very comfortable siyang gamitin na may non-slip grip. So yun nga, as mentioned a while ago, super slim yung bristles natin na nagiging mas effective sa pag-remove ng mga plaques at residues na sumisingit sa ating mga ngipin. Kaya cleaner and fresher ang feeling after brushing with Atomy. And yung gold bristle naman ay meron siyang pure 99.9% na edible gold powder. So, kinikip niya yung toothbrush natin na hygienic even when not in use. So, mas madaling maabot ang likod at kasulok-sulukan ng ating ngipin dahil sa rounded head ng ating toothbrush. Eco-friendly din ang handle kasi free from chemicals as compared sa mga toothbrush na may rubber handles. Kung na-experience nyo na pong gumamit ng other brands before, na rubber yung handles na kapag matagal siyang nakalagay sa lagayan ng toothbrush nyo, nilulumot siya usually. So here, I'm pleased to show you the certifications from FDA and a study from Kifa. Kasi di ba nga po, very open book si Atomy pagdating sa mga ito and make sure na di nako-compromise ang principles and quality ng ating mga produkto. Because Atomy offers the best products in the market. Do you agree? Yes. Thank you. So, aside from that, meron din po tayong Atomy Compact Toothbrush na perfect for women and kids 6 pataas or sa mga taong may maliliit na oral structure, yung maliliit yung bibig, bunganga. Ayun. And just to compare here po no, sa size, mas maliit talaga yung head niya. So, yung regular toothbrush natin may 12 millimeter, meanwhile yung compact is may 11 millimeter. Kaya very precise po siya maglinis ng ngipin at mas comfortable gamitin. And aside from this, available din ang ating oral care system set na may kasamang toothbrush naman, toothpaste, and interdental brush. And aside from this, para naman sa mga chikiting natin, meron din tayong toothbrush for them. Ito po ang ating Atomy Kids toothbrush. So yan po siya. And mas marami itong bristles than ordinary toothbrushes kasi around 126 yung bristles po nito per hole. Per hole, imagine, 126 bristles per hole. Kaya mas thorough at gentle para sa ating mga babies. And as we can see here, thicker naman yung handle nung pangbata. Bakit? Kasi mostly kasi pag mga bata, mga clumsy pa po sila, no? Madalas nilang nabibitawan yung mga objects na hawak nila. So talagang ginawa ng Atoming precise for them yung handle na may magandang grip for them. And just to highlight again what makes our toothbrush line different from others ay yung antibacterial bristles nito to prevent germ growth. Kahit mahulog or dapuan ng anumang bacteria ang toothbrush natin, it has this, which makes Atomy toothbrush oral hygiene power. And bukod pa po dito, gusto kong ipakita yung test na ginawa, yung durability test sa ating toothbrush. Kasi sa sobrang tibay din nito, minsan nakakalimutan na po nating magpalit ng bago. So, kada kailan po ba tayo dapat nagpapalit ng toothbrush? Yes. According to the Global Dental Health Association and WHO, ideally po, every 3 months pala nagpapalit tayo ng toothbrush. And yun nga, ito ang ating certification from US FDA. So, with this, do you agree that your smile deserves the best care? Yes. And kaya sa hindi pa po nakakasubok, let's also share the goodness and encourage others to switch to Atomy. So ito ang ating 4 tubes na toothpaste. 250 pesos na po siya and mag-earn na tayo ng 2,900 point value. Meanwhile, ang ating 5 sets na big tubes ay 830 pesos and mag-earn na din ng 3,500 point value. So for our toothbrush naman, sa 8 ng regular toothbrush, this is 470 pesos, which you'll have 5,000 point value. And then yung sa compact naman, it is 420 pesos and mag-earn ka na ng 3,600 point value. And next, for our oral care naman, 4 na yung laman niya, 740 pesos and may 6,700 point value na siya. And lastly, for our kids toothbrush, that's 450 pesos and mag-earn na tayo ng 3,900 point value. So, will you switch to Atomy toothpaste and toothbrush na po? Yes, definitely. And fast forward po sa ngayon, after all these years, we never switch brands. Talaga po. Kasi once you experience the difference, once you feel the clean, the comfort, and yung quality ng products natin, you won't go back to your old oral care routine. So today, I'm inviting you to upgrade your smile, your confidence. And once again, this is Diamond Master Avi from Laguna Imperial Center. Thank you!